Hey, how you doing? My name is Jermel Richmond. I am one of the co-founders for a company called Secure Global Logistics Enterprise, based out of Myrtle Beach. The other co-founder is my business partner, Tasha Cooper. A little bit of history is that we actually served together on active duty when we were stationed in Virginia. So we decided to start our business during the pandemic. So our business comprised of logistics. We're actually looking into buying box trucks soon. Also doing warehouse inventory management along with government contracting. And I met Danielle when I was in Senegal last year on a business development trip. And I knew from when I met her that she definitely a go-getter. When I tell her to follow up with me, she always followed up. She definitely was very good at doing that. And she mentioned about her business was doing mentoring. And I was like, well, look, we're a new startup company. We got the time, we have the money. I wanted to invest to make sure our business start off on the right page. So I hired her. I've been in the program for probably three to 4 months now. And the main things that we wanted to focus on was business development, networking, and also certifications. And I can say this from the time I've been in her program, I definitely learned a lot when it comes to those three elements. For one, with the certification, she's helping us with our service disabled veteran small business certification, which is a very high commodity when it comes to government contracts when doing those biddings and stuff. And she definitely walked us through the program, made it very easy for us to understand. We also applied for the women-owned, minority-owned business certifications, and I can say this: once we get up and running, it's definitely going to be beneficial. And thanks to her, because she makes sure that we submitted everything all at once, and the first time will be a go. And one thing she also done was she actually linked us up with some other people who actually have box trucks and what we're trying to do. I met a lady out of I think Ohio, and another lady out of Atlanta, and that was thanks to Danielle for making those connections. And they kind of gave us some insight on what they think, how much a truck will cost. Even made some good referrals, and we're actually still talking, trying to network and put two and two together. But the one thing that I want to focus on in the program is business development. Obviously, the goal is to walk away with a contract in hand once I'm done with her mentoring program. And I'm very confident that, we're going to get these certain contracts, because she definitely, know the people. She know what questions we should ask, what we should look for, the competitors, the whole analysis when it comes to business development. So my personal opinion, I definitely recommend, if you don't know a lot about business and you want to, kind of start up on the right page, I would definitely recommend her mentorship. It's definitely worth the money, in my opinion. I consider it an investment for our business. And, from the first day I started, it's been nothing but good reviews. She's good at following up. She's good at making stuff simple, straight to the point. And if you give her your goals, I can 100% guarantee that you will meet them. So from my personal opinion, the mentorship has been very good. I learned a lot. Like I said, I make notes every time we have our meetings, and I walk away with homework. And even though I'm done with school, but I don't mind doing the homework to make sure that we actually start off on the right end. So with that being said, my personal opinion, I'm definitely learning a lot since her mentorship program. I would definitely recommend to anybody. And like I said, it was some of the best money invested since our business started in 2020. So that being said, that's my review.